welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I will be sharing with you my chicken parmesan recipe. For my chicken parmesan recipe, you will need 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts cut thinly, a half a cup of flour, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 2 cups of a spaghetti sauce. You can make homemade or you can use canned, 2 eggs beaten, a half a cup of shaved Parmesan, a half a cup of shredded mozzarella, 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan, salt and pepper to taste, and some oil for frying. We have started off by preheating our oven to 425 degrees. We are going to put some pepper and salt in our flour. And we're going to mix this well. Then we're going to take our grated Parmesan and mix with our breadcrumbs. We're going to mix that well. Now we are going to pepper and salt both sides of our chicken. Now we are going to dredge our chicken in our flour. Make sure that you get it coated well. Turn it and coat it on the other side. Then you're going to put it in the egg. Then you're going to put it in your breadcrumbs. You will do this for all 4 pieces of your chicken. Now that I have all 4 of my pieces of chicken breaded, it is time to fry them. I'm going to turn a large skillet onto medium heat and put some oil in the bottom of my pan. You want enough that will coat the bottom so the chicken can fry evenly. Now that my oil is warm, I'm going to put my chicken in and fry it. You might want to do these in batches because you don't want to crowd them or they will not brown correctly. You will cook these for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. Now that I have browned my first batch and I'm letting them rest on a paper towel, I will add my second batch in and brown these also on both sides. My second batch has been cooking for about 5 minutes on each side and it is nice and brown. I will remove them and put them on the paper towel to drain for a few minutes. At this point, we are going to take half of our spaghetti sauce and lay it on the bottom of our baking dish. Now that we have half of our sauce on the bottom of our baking dish, we will take our chicken and place them on top of the spaghetti sauce. Then we are going to put the rest of our spaghetti sauce on top of the chicken. The rest of our spaghetti sauce on top of our chickens, we are going to take the mozzarella and spread it all over on top. Our slithered Parmesan. We're also going to layer that on top of the chicken also. Now that we have everything in the baking dish, we are going to put this in a 425-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. When it's done, the cheese will be nice and bubbly and got a little golden brown to it. My chicken Parmesan was in the oven for 15 minutes. It's nice and golden brown. Now that it's out of the oven, it's time to plate. I have put my chicken Parmesan over spaghetti noodles, and I have paired it with a salad and some garlic cheese bread. If you're ever tasting Italian and you don't want to go out, you should give this recipe a try. You will love it, I guarantee it. Don't forget, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you want to see me cook next. Thank you.